So I'm being lazy on the couch this morning after my delivery took all night. Just
hopefully these guys finally got my damn truck polished up.
Looking at some of my videos to see how I can improve and just things like that. I don't have a lot of time to make these videos as good as I want to, but hey, I'm gonna keep trying. Anyways, last night I made a delivery. I went to pick up a load. It was 43,000 pounds. I had no clue what it weighed. I just went to go pick it up. It was a short load. Get on the freeway, get to grabbing gears. And I'm like, man, this thing is moving good. And I was doing about 70 miles an hour, was changed lanes and gave it gas, and I just rolled right by whoever was in my way. You know, this is on 4 here in Florida. And the thing moves out. I will say, with the new turbo and upgrades, I was every bit at 80,000 plus pounds last night, and it pulled like the truck was about 20,000 pounds. What about, you know, 43,000 pounds versus 43,000 pounds versus 20,000 poundish is the difference in the pull. I pulled 20,000 more pounds of weight, and it pulled just like I was, you know, nothing pretty much, man. It's a huge difference. Hopefully next week I'll get it out and get some more stuff, more videos of it running down the road. And but anyways, this was last night. I was on my way to the delivery, and I just turned the camera on. I was like, forget it. Look who's coming in from inside. Who's coming in? Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
You gonna say hi?
You say hi, Dada.
You gonna say hi? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a hi? I didn't see. Oh, there he is. Hi. Anyways, well, here's a short video. It's you know, just rolling through a couple gears, whatever. Get to hear what she sounds like. Also, I had a few people say something about the polish job. I'm gonna show more of why that's a horrible polish job. I didn't want to put it all on that video. I wanted to kind of go step by step and show you guys the things that you know, for $1,500 polish job, what my truck should look like and what my truck did look like. There's a huge difference. So anyways, watch this, you know, hear what she sounds like. I'll have more and better stuff out. I was just sharing this, man. I actually, you know, you can see the thing doing building boost with the kind of weight it has on it. I'm just driving down a little city road. So anyways, here you go.